Okay, we're taking a movie. A smiley little Emmy. Right? Are you being a little smiley girl tonight? Yeah, and you're sweet. Are you pretty happy about it? Say hi. And give us big smiles. Let's see. Oh, you say tiki tiki tiki. Yeah. You say hi. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Big Brother Cole. Oh, Cole, do you want to say hi too? Oh, look at that nice bump on your head. What happened, Cole? No, this bump's on the front of your head. Did you get an ouchie? Emmy. How did you get your ouchie? Yeah, did you hit your head on the refrigerator? Uh-oh. Yeah, that was a bad one, huh? Yeah, it's gonna get better though. You feel good? Coley? You feel good? Very good. All right. You want to give your sister a kiss? Give her a kiss. Oh, that's nice. I bet that made her feel better. Right, Emmy? Did that kiss make you feel good from your big brother? Yeah. You want to give her another kiss, Cole? Give her a kiss. Oh, you could give her a kiss on the lips. Oh, she liked that one, Cole. You could give her a kiss on the lips. Oh, gentle. So gentle. Nose. Give her a kiss on the nose. Oh, how cute. Cole, you're being very gentle with Emmy. Yeah. Cole, she's looking at you like she loves you. Can you tell Emmy, oh, I love you?
I love you.
Oh, that's so sweet. Emmy loves you too, Cole. Yeah. All right. Emmy, you want to give us one last smile? One more? One more? One more smile before we go? No. Can you give us one more smile? Yeah. I think you have one more in you. Cole, can you give me a smile? You have lots of smiles, don't you? Oh, don't push that button. Give me a big smile. And say, oh, I love you. Oh, Cole, my goodness. Can you say, I love you?
I love you.
Oh, Coley. Is that Emmy's toy? Be gentle, Cole, because that's Emerson's toy. That's Emerson's. No, that's not Cole's. No. All right. Say bye-bye, Emmy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. See you later.